Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a trigonometric problem. Let's prove the following identity. Root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Now let us see what to be done with these type of problems. Now let me take the LHS. Now here, see the denominator. I have 1 plus sine theta. Then multiply by its opposite, that is 1 minus sine theta. So I'm going to multiply the denominator by 1 minus sine theta. If I'm going to do anything in the denominator, it has to be done in the numerator as well. So I'm going to multiply the numerator also with 1 minus sine theta. My next step will be 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta gives me 1 minus sine theta the whole square, and here apply the identity a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, which gives me 1 minus sine square theta. My next step, I'm going to write root of 1 minus sine theta the whole square as it is, and here I'm going to apply the identity, that is 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Now square and the root gets cancelled. I'll be left with 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Now let me split it up. That is 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. We know that 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta, and sine theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, which gives me my RHS. So friends, was this easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.